Okay, so in this session we will discuss about how to use joins in update and how to use joins in delete. What is left lateral join? Okay, not left join lateral. So in which cases these joins will be used? Okay, so I will take one scenario, and in that scenario it is mandatory to use update with join. Okay, so without update with join also we can write the query. And what will be the difference without or without, without or with? Okay, so I will tell each and everything. First of all, we will take one scenario. Before that, what are the tables are available in our database? Just observe these tables. Okay, employee table, department table. Now I want to create one more table which has similar to the EMP table. So what will be the query? Just create table EMP1. Okay, same structure with same records. Select star from EMP. That's it. So what it will does? It will create EMP1 and it will insert into EMP1 from EMP table. Okay, see this 14 records. Now observe this. Okay, 14 records are available. Now I am going to create one column name EMP1. Column name is add column dname varchar of 50. Okay, so I am going to add one column name dname to the EMP1 table. Okay, so again observe this. So dname is null for all records. So I want to update the dname for each and every record. So what do you do? So here dname is not available in EMP1 table. Dname is available in department table. There is a mapping column department number that exists in both tables. So what do you do? So without update with join, what do you do? I will tell you. Okay. So we have to write update query, update EMP1 and set dname equal to, here write the query. So where the dname is available? Department table, that means dname where department number equal to EMP1 dot department number. That means, so it will take, so here dname, so this select query will fetch the dname based on the current department number. Okay, so this is just like correlated subquery. You can write the query like this also, but it degrades the performance. Okay, so like see this. Suppose at this record, here what will be the department number 20. Okay, so 20 is passed to this query and it will fetch the dname and it will updated that dname in this place. After that, second it will go to the second record. So here department number 30. It will pass this department number to this query and it will fetch the department name and places in this place. Like that, same for similar next records also. So here 14 records are available. So 14 times this subquery will be called. Okay, so we will execute this subquery, this correlated query. Say this. Okay, and how to check it? Copy this and here. So 20 research, 20 research, 20 research, 30 sales, 30 sales. Okay, so this query is correct. Okay. But it is not a good practice. Here you are having 14 records so that it will be, this subquery will be executed for 14 times. But in real time, in a table that may contain lack of records, in that cases, it will degrade the performance. So that how to write this update with joins. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to set dname is null. Check this. Dname is null. Now I am going to write the update with join. Update emp1. I am giving alias name. And inner join with department table on e dot department number equal to d dot department number. And in update statement, set class will be there. Set e dot dname equal to d dot dname. Okay, so you know this inner join condition, similar, same condition. Okay, so this actual in what will be the inner join logic. This is the inner join logic. Okay, same logic. You write, you copy and paste it, and after update, you write it. That's it. And as usual, set class will be there. Okay, so whatever the values you want to pass, you can pass. So e dot dname means emp1 table, e dot dname. D dot dname is department table. Okay, so if you execute this query, see what will happen. Before that, you check employee one table, dname is null. Okay, so and execute this query. 14 records matched. Okay, so this dname is updated. Okay, don't confuse. Before writing to the update query, you just write select query with inner join. After that, you just copy this logic and put in after update. That's it. And then you can write the set statement. Okay. And you can pass the where condition also. Okay. So here, before that, I am going to execute this statement again so that D name will be null. Okay. Now E dot department number equal to 10. That means what will be the meaning of this query? So I am going to update the D name for department number 10 only. For remaining records, D name will be null. See this. 3 records only affected. See this. Only 10 records, department number 10 records are updated with D name accounting. Okay. So this is the way to write update with joins. Okay. So you can write this query, but it is not recommended. Next, delete with joins. So here I am passing dname as a parameter. Okay, that means before that you drop this dname column in emp1 table. Drop column dname. Now see this dname is not available. So our goal is I am passing dname as a parameter to the employee table. Based on that dname, I have to delete the records from the employee table. Okay, but dname is not available in employee table. So how do you do that? First of all, you have to pass the dname to the department table and then fetch the department number from the department table, and then that department number you need to pass to the employee table. Like step by step I will write. First of all, I am going to fetch the department number. So where dname. So let us assume dname is sales. Okay. So what will be the department number? 30. Okay. And you can write the delete query from here. Delete from emp where department number equal to 30. Then it will delete automatically. Okay. But this is not our goal. So you put here like this. Okay. So now, sorry, not emp1. Now all the records will be deleted that belongs to 30 department number. Okay, see this. 6 records will be deleted. So department number 30 is not available. Okay. You can write without this subquery also. Okay. So how do you write? Delete and here also you can use this similar logic. This one. I'm just copying this. Delete from emp1. Okay, same logic, inner join, and put here E. So which table we want to delete the records? Okay, so delete from emp1 E, inner join, department and condition. Okay, and here I am passing E dot department D dot D name equal to research. So what will be the department number for research? 20. Now, see, 5 records are deleted. You can check this. Department number 20 is not available in employee 1 table. Okay, so this is the way to write delete query with joins. Here I am not using any subqueries. Okay, so there are 2 tables are there, but you know the information required input from the one table, like sales, you have the parameter of department name. Okay, but you want to delete the records from the employee table, but employee table does not have department name. Department table will have that department name, so that you pass the department name to the department table and then get the department number and pass the department number to the delete query of employee 1 table. This is the way of writing the delete query with subquery. And you write the join query, okay, with select statement and put that join query in after delete and give that alias name. So here you need to give the employee table alias name only, not department table. Why? Because you are deleting the records from the employee table. Okay. So this is the way to write the delete with joins. And left join lateral. So for this, see, I want to have the each and every department number count. Okay, so here we are having 4 department numbers and we are having records for the 3 department numbers 10, 20, 30. For 40, we don't have the records. And here I want another column like count. In that column, what will be the employee numbers count for department number 10? And what will be the employee count for department number 20 and 30, 40? Okay. So in that cases, how many ways to write the query? Okay. That thing we will see. Select star from DEPT number, DEPT, and I am putting comma. After that, select count of star from EMP table where DEPT number equal to DEPT dot DEPT number. That means this is square letter subquery. So here I am passing this department number, okay, each and every department number to the employee table and get the count, okay, and giving some alias name. That means EMP count. It is okay. So this is the required result. So for DEPT number 10, 3 count, 5 is the count for 20, 6 is the count for 30, 0 is the count for 40. Okay. So, but correlator subquery is not recommended. Okay. So in another approach, how can we write? With inner joins, how do you write the query? Already we have written inner join. See this. D dot star group by. I'm fetching all the column names here. D dot, D dot, D dot, and count of star as emp count. See this. Okay, this is the employee table, not emp. See this, but we are not getting department number 40. And put the right join. See this. For department number 40, one record is there, but in employee table it does not have any records for employee number, department number 40. Okay, so this is wrong. And here I am going to write the left join lateral. Select star from department, and I am putting some alias name for this. And here star from. Okay, here you can use left join lateral and give this. Here you write the employee table query where department number equal to, this is the one derived table. Okay, so here this department table is available in alias name A. That's why I am taking department number from this. And here I want only count. Here pass this B and give the condition 1 equal to. See this. This is the required result. And instead of using this one, you can use this condition. You can write the true. So it will accept this one. Expect true condition. That may be 2 equal to 2 or keyword 2. Okay, whatever it may be. And you can write like this also. You can able to get it. So without using left also you can able to get it. And you can write this query like comma. In these cases it will not be useful. Write this. Okay, so here we are taking department table in one derived table and take that department table from this derived table and pass it to the another derived table that is called B. Okay, so here if you want to get the count, you can get the count. If you want to get another columns also, you can get it. Okay, so some alias name. So here if you want to get the column names from A only, then you can get it. If you want to get the column names from B, you can get it. But if you don't mention A dot and B dot, if you mention only star, then you will be able to get all the columns from all the derived tables. Okay. So this is the way to write the lateral join. So here one derived table is there. Here another derived table is there. So to join these tables and get the results from, get the required column from different derived tables, in that purpose we go for lateral joins. Okay. So this is about update with join, delete with join, left join, lateral.